In today's video, I'll teach you how to tag somebody on Instagram story. First of all, what you have to do is launch up an Instagram application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So what you have to do is simply tap on this option, your story, that you can see at the top of your screen. Now, after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to add the story. You can also click the photo if you want, or you can also simply select from the existing photo. Tap on the photo that you would like to upload to the story. Now once you do that, you can see over here that photo will be uploaded, or you can also upload the video if you want. Now if you want to mention someone or if you want to tag someone, for that what you have to do is simply look at top. You'll be able to find various icons over here. What you have to do is simply tap on this icon that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to mention those person. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option mention that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply type in their username. You'll be able to see various profiles over here. Tap on the profile of the person that you would like to tag. Now you can also tap on it in order to change it. So like this, you'll be able to change the style. Now what you have to do is tap on this option, your story, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your story has been uploaded. Now if someone taps on their username, you can see over here they'll be able to visit their profile. So like this, you'll be able to tag someone. So that is how you tag someone on Instagram story. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.